Let's guess the animals. Animal name quiz. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Zebra. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Reptile. Which bird is known for its colorful tail and elaborate courtship dance? Peacock. What is the only mammal capable of sustained flight? Bat. Which animal is known for its ability to change colors for camouflage? Chameleon. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal is famous for its large ears and ability to jump long distance? Kangaroo. What is the name of the largest species of shark? Whale shark. Which animal is known for its ability to regrow lost limbs? Starfish. What type of animal is a jellyfish? Invertebrate. Which animal has the longest neck of any living creature? Giraffe. What is the primary diet of a giant panda? Bamboo. Which animal is known for building dams in river? Beavers. What is the name of the only mammal that lays eggs? Platypus. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Parrot. What animal is known for its distinctive smell used as a defense mechanism? Skunk. Which marine animal has a symbiotic relationship with clownfish? Sea anemone. What animal is known for its distinctive hum and can survive in desert conditions? Camel. Which insect is known for producing honey? Bee. Thank you, kids. Hope you learned something.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you loved watching. Subscribe to our channel, BooNoo Production, for more such content, and please hit the bell icon for instant notifications.